Welcome to the mythical forest with Dee Dee and Boris, and today we're going to be taking down this grow tent because it's summer and we don't need this cover on top of it. We're not taking down the tent, we're just taking the cover off. So if you want to see how to make this tent out of a trampoline, go check out our YouTube channel in the playlist and watch that. Now we're going to take the cover off right now, but before that I want to show you inside. It's just getting too hot for summer, and this is for winter, and the reason we had it is because there's certain plants which I'm not going to say on here because I'm not going to deem this a video that's not okay for kids. So if you want to know, go back and watch some of our videos to see what it was that we grew in here that we couldn't get wet, all right, for the rains. So going in here, and I want to show you guys everything in here before we take it off. And I want to show you what I love so much in the winter. I love this dome when it rains. It's so cool, and the sound. And for those of you who do yoga or something like that, meditate or whatever, you can just come in here and pray, whatever. With the rain, it is so cool. So if you guys do build one of these, go out there during the rain and check it out and leave me a message and tell me on the comments how you like the sound. It's so peaceful. So anyway, just wanted to show you guys, and if you've seen our videos in the past, we always leave an airflow here like this on each side because we've had a problem in the past with the wind pulling the whole thing up.
Just pulling the whole thing up.
So this is getting too hot now for the summer, so I'm going to take the tarp off.
And we're
going to try to salvage it for next year, because what we did was we left it out in the sun last year and it disintegrated. So to save money, we're going to see if we can store it away in a
in the finch cage somewhere.
Yeah, somewhere where it's shaded, and hopefully we can reuse it again at least one more season. So look, while I'm in here, let me show you. Look, we got pepinos.
No pepino.
So I got that from a cutting.
Not cucumbers in Spanish. That's something else.
Yeah, it's a fruit.
It's a fruit.
And I got it for, and look at this volunteer. Look at these volunteer tomatoes that grew out of the pots that we grew this other secret plants that I can't tell you about in.
Yes.
So we had about six in here. This is the tomatoes. They've been here for over a year in here, and they're still growing. Can you see? Look, they're green right now because we already picked the red ones, but they haven't stopped. Yeah, oh, look, it's went all the way over to here. So you can grow really well in here during the winter. We did not lose. I mean, that's from last summer. Can you believe? So right now it's spring, and we're gonna take the lid off of this sucker. Y'all ready? Watch. We're gonna do it in fast forward.
Okay, we'll be. Stay tuned. We're gonna put this here. You're gonna watch us take this thing apart. All right.
These little clips.
Here we go. Hold on. Let me clip this. Okay.
Okay, everybody. Now we feel naked.
Completely naked.
Poor girl, she's just all bones now. Look, we have a piece that broke.
Oh yeah.
Off. We gotta fix that. But so we keep the little netting to keep the rabbits out, and then we keep this all year round. This netting that we have all around here to keep the
rabbits out.
So I'll have to kind of finagle this again since the cart pushed it a little. We'll go around and we'll do that later today. But I just wanted to show you guys the undressing of the grow tent. And if you want to know how to make this, like I said, it's made with a trampoline. Go check out our video how we did this. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment in the bottom. Thank you for watching.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and God bless everybody.